Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install BONOSS wheel spacers for this Honda Accord. So how big of spacers should I need? Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line. Wheel spacers are installed between the hub and the wheel. Push the wheel further away from the chassis, widening the track, so that increases the turning radius a little and also adds stability. This in turn increases the amount of grip that your vehicle has in corners, allowing faster cornering. Spacers can also change the balance of your car's handling. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment.